Well, hey guys, it's I've been one hell of a storm out here. Just basically a giant windstorm and rain. Oh, look at that sky, man. Wow. So I'm gonna go take a look at the beach and just see if it's nice and windy, but it seems to have calmed down right now. But I swear to God, all last night, just the windows are just howling away. So it'll probably come and go. Gusting winds like 80 km, 70 powers out like everywhere. So rock and roll. Let's go check it out. Here you go. There's a bit of a storm coming in. Guys, windy all right. Holy smokes. Look at those brave ducks. I'm gonna get wet if I stand here too long, as you can tell. Check out those brave ducks out there, bobbing away. Windy shit. Here it comes. Big gust. I think the winds are just... No. I got kind of soaked there when I was walking back up. A big wave just crashed up on me, got me all wet and stuff. Yeah, there's some adventures right there. This is actually the tail end of the storm. Last night would have been amazing, because I swear to God the winds were 3 times what they are right now. May as well go enjoy it. I'll check out one more beach, maybe. Yeah, or keep looking. Grace Point. That's probably why all this shit is like boarded up, and I think that's why this was the police station in the actual show. It was. Look at that. Look at that. I told you so. So yeah, if you want to see where Grace Point was filmed, that's where all the exterior shots were shot for the police station. And then, I don't know, they also had a bunch of them just walking out on this little causeway or walkway path, you know, out front. Right down here, there's some exterior shots. Okay, this side is not windy at all, but it looks like a little sailboat race just started. It's a good day for that. Let's see, there's some people out there and a couple boats. Oh, this guy's already turning around. Looks like he's got troubles. I think he's really catching the wind. Should have brought my better camera with the better zoom. This is not up to par for racing boat standards. Now off they go. I don't know where they're gonna go, but they're sure drawing a crowd. Right there at the fish market. Now the wind's picking up. That'd be a rainbow, folks. So the storm has just broken. My timing was horrible. And I give up. I quit. I'm going home. Oh, look where it ends. It ends right at that buoy out there. Now they're really spread out and still going. Rock and roll. They come quite a ways in like no time at all. That wind's got to help a ton. I wonder if there's anything still left in here. It's the Grace Point Police. Yeah, so they must have been shooting indoors here, because there's like drywall where stuff was set up, and that was like the back office. So I'll guarantee this was like the actual office for Grace Point. Huh. I think it extra lighting at the top, and they just stripped it out. And Bob's your uncle. Anyways, guys, the wind search a bit of a failure, but you know, tomorrow there'll be wind and rain and storms. The next day there'll be wind and storms. So we'll keep hunting, and for now, I give up. I quit. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.